Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. Man, YouTube owami ushare le video lena lapha ku TikTok yakhe nemngane wakhe uGogo Manzeni. You know ukuthi uGogo Manzeni kukhishwe statement yesterday lesisho ukuthi sosishiyile emhlabeni. uGogo Manzeni was a famous sangoma kanti bekamngani lomkhulu owami. Besimbona lapha ku podcast yakhe owami bekahlala nje ama-interviews naye akhuluma into ebuthakathi ukuthi yena uyaloya yini yathakatha lokhu kwente kanjani lokhu kwente kanjani. So bekahlezi nje naye owamambuta ama-questions. So people really said ukuthi vele they were so close, they were really close, uGogo Manzeni and owami. I remember ngalesikhathi kulahlekete indoda owami khani bagqekeza imoto yakhe acela ama-donation. People said ukuthi why ungayedwa wemngane wakho ayokuloyela bona labantu, why ucela ama-donation and not ask help from your friend, because umngane wakho bekahlala asitshela ukuthi yena muthi ublind, yena kuloya nje hamba yedwane. Why don't you go to Gogo Manzeni and ask help from her kasana? But it doesn't mean uthi mawenyanga phela kusho ukuthi wena you are untouchable or awufi. Doesn't mean like that, Nkosi yami. So man, people are really saying ukuthi man, it's so sad, like it's really sad. May his soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.